empty or unknown, mother of us all, you and I are one together. And I know this won't last forever. We got a light in your pocket. You can put it in the air on this one so we can see everybody, especially in the back. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your energy tonight. Waking up to your right, I don't have an answer, so I think I know you better. Waking up to your right, multicolored sunsets, you're the one who gives me shelter. And I know this won't last forever. Reggae, rise up, it's been an amazing night. You guys still got energy for one more? We need everybody moving on this one. Hands up, here we go. music brings upon me. Mixed with the healing of the nation. Yeah, that's all I need. Cause it's the perfect combination. We're moving at our own speed. We're talking higher concentration. You'll keep it moving with me. You'll let me tell you now we're grooving. Nothing like roots reggae music. We'll turn it up, I wanna lose it. Nothing like roots reggae music. Oh yes, we're grooving. Nothing like roots reggae music. We'll turn it up, I wanna lose it. There's nothing like roots reggae music. So much for the horn section back here. Sing with us. Yes, we wanna move, we wanna move, we wanna move, we wanna. Louder. Whoa, yes, we wanna move, we wanna move, we wanna. Whoa, because you can't stop this feeling, you can't stop this groove, you can't stop this music, and you can't kill this mood. Music and the message in the music. When we found in the right time, it'll give like it. Let me tell you now we're grooving.